Alright, so in this video, I want to cover the right way and the wrong way to use traffic exchanges. First off, I should mention that traffic exchanges are mainly for marketers and businesses that are in the internet marketing and make money online niche. Because face it, people who are on traffic exchanges are mainly interested in generating traffic and making money online. So that's your target market. If you have a health related product, most likely people on this site, the users of traffic exchanges, are not going to be interested. So with that said, let's just mention the first way or the wrong way to use traffic exchanges. And the wrong way to use them is to promote affiliate pages, affiliate products, and even your own products that you're selling. Because users on traffic exchanges generally have a short attention span, and they only have to view a site for a minimum of, say, 10 seconds, around 10 seconds. And so basically, they just want to move on to the next site, and they do not want to read a long sales page. Okay, so the right way to use traffic exchanges is to promote your squeeze page, to try to build a list. So traffic exchanges are essentially a good list building strategy. Okay, of course, you could promote affiliate products and sell your own products later on when you follow up on your leads, but your main focus is to collect leads through traffic exchanges. Now that we have that established, that you should be promoting squeeze pages and building your list, your squeeze page has to grab their attention because, again, like I said earlier, they have a short attention span on traffic exchanges and they only want to click on to the next site. So it should also be very targeted, and you should know who you are targeting to. And as I've already said, the people you are targeting to are people who are interested in traffic and people who are interested in making money online. So the product that you're going to be giving away should be related to that. It should be a traffic related product, course or ebook, report, and also it could be related to generating traffic. Now, to even be more targeted, you could give away something that shows them how to use traffic exchanges more effectively. Now that's going to grab their attention. So that's just an example. You have to understand who you're targeting to and what they want.